Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue, Mr. Border City. Today, look at this beautiful brand new 2024 Ford Edge ST line. The exterior color is black, and under the hood is a 2-liter engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. At the front, we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps. And to the side, we have 19-inch aluminum wheels and Goodyear tires, as well as color match handles and mirror caps. This 2024 Edge also comes with a remote start as well as a remote keyless entry. At the rear, we have a power-lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have driver-friendly features including power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings and door storage. Making our way into the cabin, you'll see a lovely black leather seating with adjustable smoking on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a telescopic steering wheel with our cruise control options on the left and a medium hat view option on the right, which is developing a rearview mirror of our cabin lighting. Looking forward to our center face, you'll see options available such as radio, phone integration, navigation, media, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, owner's manual, and sketch. Which is below being a climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating to our cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats and a heated steering wheel. If there are any more questions on this beautiful brand new 2024 Ford Edge ST line, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.